Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be eating another mukbang videos today. I'm just gonna be eating some 2 chicken fillets. I have rice, 2 gravies, and 2 chicken fillets. So I'm gonna be reading here. This is my review for today. This is my lunch right now. I didn't really eat too much today. I just ate some steak and that's it. And today the lunch was kind of weird though. So I got some gravies, and I don't know why the gravies are really not too much. Just mix them both. So I'm just gonna put this aside. So I'm just gonna put the gravy right here. You guys can see. So my hands are clean, definitely clean. I got this soaked up so I don't get any diseases when I eat these things. So hope you guys can hear me. So let's go and eat this. Right here, let's start with this one. Good. I'm just gonna mix the rice for the first fillet. So so basically yesterday I just made another mukbang video. So I just want to talk about that. I'm so hungry. Still good. Hi. There's my tita, guys. Up there. She's watching. Okay. I'm just so hungry right now. Oh my gosh. I also don't have drinks in this video. I'm just gonna drink water. So yeah. Last bite. Empty. It's like it's gonna squish all these things. So the rice, we just mixed up like this. So first bite. So, in the end of this video, I'll be doing another shout out of the week. So, shout out of the week. It's so good, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want a Jollibee mukbang. So, like, if you guys want maybe 5 likes for a Jollibee mukbang, why not, right? So yeah. Hands are totally wet right now, so I got it. Really good. So that's empty. So yeah, guys, maybe that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys want more, if you like these videos, make sure to leave a like. Let's get 5 likes to get a Jollibee mukbang. And also, if you guys want more Minecraft episodes, excuse me, I'm sorry guys, but yeah, shout out goes to Carl, Haley, and Carlos, Timothy, and Beboy exclamation mark, and also Jaleel 23, and also Mix Gaming TV for the subscriptions on my channel. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.